big nation stretching from sea to land and with a navy that is so strong. Good evening to one and all. We are going to start the program with a lovely message on Indian Navy. Every year on 4th of December, we celebrate as Indian Navy Day. On 1971, this day was chosen as Operation Trident. We salute to all these remarkable women and men of Indian Navy who go to battle as sea unwashed and seeking victory. Let us hear from Arohi Chaudhary.
Respected Principal Sir, in charge ma'am, teacher, parents and my dear friend, I am Arohi Chaudhary. I study in Emblem Senior Secondary School, Sector 6B Light, Class KG1D. First of all, Happy Navy Day, all of you. Today I am going to speak few lines on Navy Day. 4 December every year celebrated as Navy Day. It is celebrated to highlight activity means of Indian Navy. A week before actual date is seen as Navy Week. Various aircraft take place RK Beach on Navy Day. Chhatrapati Shivaji Bhosle is considered father of Indian Navy. Indian Navy has 4 bases in Vizag, Kochi, Chennai and Mumbai. The motto of the Indian Navy has 4 bases. Shah, No, Varuna. They are committed to save our country from attack. Thank you. Happy Navy Day.
Nation is proud of your commitment in safeguarding the country's maritime frontiers, securing trade routes, and extending assistance in times of civil emergencies. Good evening, respected principal, sir, teachers, and all my dear friends. Myself, Afshin Bano of Class 6 and today I am going to say a speech about Indian Navy Day. Indian Navy Day is celebrated on 4th December every year to recognize the achievements and role of the Indian Navy to the country. The day got recognized after Operation Trident during 1971 Indo-Pakistan War on 4th December. During Operation Trident, Indian Navy sank 4 Pakistani vessels including PNS Khyber. The Indian Navy is the naval branch of the Indian Armed Forces. The President of India is the Supreme Commander of the Indian Navy. It is one of the largest and most powerful navy in the world. The invocation to Lord Varuna, the sea god, in the Vedas was adapted by the Indian Navy for its emblem with the motto Sam no Varuna. Indian Navy plays a significant role in securing the marine borders of the nation as well as accelerating the international relations of India through various means like support visits, joint ventures, patriotic missions, calamity relief and many others. The celebrations for the day begins a week before the actual date. On this day, aircrafts are kept on display for public viewing and the Naval Band also conducts their performance. Indian Navy Day reminds us of all our heroes who stand strong to keep us safe. I salute the warriors in white. Happy Indian Navy Day!
Good afternoon, our respected principal sir, and all my respected teachers and friends. I'm Gunjan from Class 6C, and today I'm going to say something or give a speech about Indian Navy Day. So, Navy Day in India is celebrated on 4 December every year to recognize the achievements and the role of Indian Navy towards the country. So now a question came in your mind that why it is celebrated on 4 December. So on 4 December in the year 1971 during the Operation Trident, the Indian Navy sank for Pakistani vessels including PNS Khyber, killing hundreds of Pakistani Navy personnel. On this day, those who were killed in Indo-Pakistani War of 1971 are also remembered. So now one more question came in your mind that how our country celebrate Indian Navy Day. So during the Indian Navy Day, during the Navy Week, various events take place such an open sea competition. Ships are open for visitors and school children. There is a veterans sailor lunch. Performances by naval symphony orchestra take place. An Indian Navy inter-school quiz competition happens. A Navy half marathon as well as an display for school children and the beating retreat and tattoo ceremonies happen. So hope you like this information. Thank you and have a nice day.
My name is Kavya Katlam in class 3B. Today is Navy Day. Navy Day in India is celebrated on 4 December every year. Thank you.
Hello to everyone. Myself Antli Keshi from class 7H and today I'm here to present and speak before you and my topic is Indian Navy Day. Indian Navy Day is celebrated every year on December 4 to commemorate the attack on the Karachi harbour during the Indian-Pakistan War in 1971. On this day, the Indian Navy attack on Karachi harbour contributed to the ultimate victory of the Indian Armed Forces over Pakistan. It is important of Indian Navy because we must protect our natural wealth and keep our trade routes open in order to progress and poor. It is therefore imperative that India maintains a strong navy which is always in a high state of preparedness. In times of distress and natural disasters such as floods, droughts, cyclones, earthquakes, etc., the Maratha Empire was established by Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj in 1674. From its inception, the Marathas established a naval force consisting of cannons mounted on ships. Chhatrapati Shivaji Bhosle, the Maratha emperor of the 17th century, is considered as the father of Indian Navy. Thank you and have a nice day.
आप सब तो जानते ही हैं कि आज है 4 दिसंबर यानी नौसेना दिवस। पर क्या आप यह जानते हैं कि हम नौसेना दिवस क्यों मनाते हैं? चलिए मैं बताती हूँ। नमस्ते, मैं हूँ कक्षा 7वीं F से श्रुति सोनी। नौसेना दिवस यानी नेवी डे हर साल 4 दिसंबर को मनाया जाता है। नौसेना दिवस 1971 में भारत पाकिस्तान के युद्ध में जीत हासिल करने वाली भारतीय नौसेना शक्ति और बहादुरी को याद करते हुए मनाया जाता है। ऑपरेशन ट्राइडेंट के तहत 4 दिसंबर 1971 को भारतीय नौसेना ने पाकिस्तान के कराची नौसैनिक अड्डों पर हमला बोल दिया था। एक मिसाइल नाव और 2 युद्धपोत की एक आक्रमणकारी समूह ने कराची के तट पर जहाज़ों के समूह पर हमला कर दिया था। इस युद्ध में पहली बार जहाज़ पर मार करने वाली एंटीशिप मिसाइल से हमला किया गया था। इस हमले में पाकिस्तान के कई जहाज़ नष्ट कर दिए गए थे। इस दौरान पाकिस्तान के ऑयल टैंकर भी नष्ट कर दिए गए थे। इस ऑपरेशन की सफलता के ध्यान में रखते हुए हम 4 दिसंबर को नौसेना दिवस का मनाते हैं। धन्यवाद।